Most people see the invalid code message on their eBay gift card and immediately assume the card is useless. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases, the code is actually fine. The problem is how or where it's being entered. In this video, you'll learn exactly why your eBay gift card shows an invalid code in 2026, the real reasons behind it, and the step-by-step fixes that actually work so you can redeem your balance without stress. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how the system works. A gift card on eBay must be entered in a very specific format. Even a small mistake like a missing digit, extra space, or wrong character can trigger the invalid code error instantly. Now here's the biggest mistake people make. They rush the entry. Alex tries typing the code quickly and accidentally mixes up a 0 with the letter O or misses one digit. The system does not guess. It simply rejects it. So the first fix is simple but powerful. Re-enter the code slowly. If it is a physical card, scratch it gently, and read each character carefully under good light. If it is digital, copy and paste directly without adding spaces. But here's where it gets interesting. Sometimes the code is correct, but the platform you are using is not. Many users try redeeming on a browser that has outdated cookies or cached data. This can cause false invalid code errors even when the code is valid. So the next fix is to switch your environment. Try using the official eBay app, or open an incognito window. This removes hidden session issues that often block redemption. Now here's another problem most people don't think about. Region mismatch. If your gift card region does not match your eBay account country, the system will reject it as invalid. For example, Jake tries using a US gift card on a non-US account. The system does not explain it clearly. It just says, invalid code. So always check your account country settings before entering the code. Now, here's where it gets interesting again. Some users get the error because they are entering the code in the wrong section. eBay has separate areas for gift cards, vouchers, and coupons. If you paste the code in the wrong field, it will fail instantly. So always make sure you are in the gift card redemption section during checkout or in your wallet settings. But here's the problem. Even after doing everything right, sometimes the system itself has delays. Temporary server issues can trigger invalid responses. In that case, waiting 10 to 20 minutes and trying again often solves the problem automatically. If nothing works, the final step is to contact support with your code and account details. In most real cases, they can verify and fix it quickly if the code is valid. So here's the simple summary. Invalid code errors usually come from typing mistakes, wrong region, browser issues, or incorrect redemption steps. And once you fix these, the card usually works immediately. If this helped you fix your issue, like the video, drop a comment with your problem, and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting guides that save you time and frustration.